High revs, low gears, quick release wheels whenever I steer. No cops, the road's clear. I'm surrounded by empty mirrors. Bury the gas and dump the clutch. Catch me at the track or out in the cuts. Just doing what I love, man, it's such a rush. Plus I'm doing it with style cause my wheels are flush. I'm always sitting low but never driving slow. 2.0 turbo, bro, it flies like a crow. Drive like a pro, getting paid on the road. Throw the package in the trunk and I'm ready to go. Short throw with the knob so I'm shifting it quick. And I'm all-wheel drive, I'm just getting a grip. Tire screaming at the ground as we're making our rounds. Put a mountain in my path and I'm taking it down. Out of town at events, posted under a tent. Spare parts on deck in case something gets bent. We live it every day and been on it for years. Cause nothing compares to high revs and low gears. High revs, low gears, quick release wheels whenever I steer. No cop, the road's clear, I'm surrounded by empty mirrors. High revs, low gears, quick release wheels whenever I steer. No cop, the road's clear, I'm surrounded by empty mirrors.
What's good, YouTube fam? I go by Dennis D. This is Automotive Garage. This is a channel where I pretty much fix cars, build cars, drive cars, go to meets, go on trips with the fam. It's pretty much just a place for me to put all the footage that I've been recording over the years and finally upload it to YouTube. So I have footage of like literally years and years back of just random car stuff that I'll just be uploading, and as well as present day stuff that's relevant to today. So yeah, we got tons of projects. I got the WRX, 2000 Mustang, 65 Mustang, 2000 Expedition, 03 Expedition actually, and then a bunch of different friends and families cars on the channel. So yeah, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys coming to the channel, checking it out. Got a lot of content, coming your way. So past, present, and for the future. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Thanks for the support. Peace.
Sideways at Sonoma, doing skids in the pad. Stay on the gas like a sav. We just did a couple laps, took a break and now we're back, about to rip it again. You know I came here with my crew, so we're all getting it in. Spare tires in the trunk, laying next to the tools. I'm gonna show you how it's done, let me take you to school. Go and get yourself a ride, a rear wheel drive. Pull the diff, clean it out, weld the spider gears inside. Reinstall and fill it up, take it out for a drive. Hit the gas at full right and I bet that it slides. You can make the car light by removing the seats, but you gotta have music, don't forget to add the beat. 40 bucks at the track, you can slide and slap. No cops to pull you over, I can vibe with that. We do this every Wednesday and been on it for years. Cause nothing compares to high revs and low gears. High revs, low gears, quick release wheels whenever I steer. No cop, the road's clear, I'm surrounded by empty mirrors. High revs, low gears, quick release wheels whenever I steer. No cop, the road's clear, I'm surrounded by empty mirrors.